how to turn off your active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off your active on Instagram. So in order to turn off your activity status on Instagram, first of all, update your Instagram app. If the application is completely updated, go ahead and open it up. So when you turn on your activity status on Instagram, the other user will be able to see that you're active on Instagram with the green dot icon. In order to turn it off, just go ahead and tap the profile icon. It's going to take you to your profile page. Here, tap the tab bar and go to settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, scroll down a bit. You'll be able to find an option as message and story replies. Go ahead and tap that. You'll be able to locate a section as who can see your online. Just go ahead and tap on show activity. Now if it is currently blue or it has been enabled, then all you have to do is just toggle the button and make sure to switch it over to white. That indicates that you've successfully turned off your activity status on Instagram. So in that way you can turn off your active on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.